Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we have an Instagram hop today for a Colorful Life Designs new March release. You can win $25 to the shop, so that's amazing. It's a great release too, and make sure and go on to Instagram and do the hop and tag your friends, and you will see lots and lots of inspiration. There's also a new stamp set as well. So I am using the new Trailing Vines stencil. You can use it any way. I chose to use it upward. All the stencils have embossed writing, so it lets you know which is the correct side. I'm using some sentiments from the new Happy Stamp set. So I believe I used many blessings. Here is the card sample that I did. Super pretty. Well, I think it's super pretty. I hope you like it. So I chose to use, like I said, the stencil upwards. I think it's meant to go, well, like I said, you can use it anyway. You can use it downwards like it is shown on the writing here. So I am just going to place my stencil on my white cardstock using my waffle flower mat. You can also use pixie spray or your Make Art Station to hold your stencil in place. I have my Make Art Station in back of me, and I just forget to use it sometimes, but I am just holding it down, and luckily it didn't move on me too much, so it was amazing. And I really love this Peacock Feathers Distress ink. I'm just starting to use my distress inks again, so I love how I trade off and love my mediums again. And this card came together so quickly. I love how that happens with stencils. And there we go. And sorry for the glare from my window. And I'm just using some mica spray. This is Crooked Broom Stick, I believe. I will have it in the details. It might be discontinued because it was a Halloween mica spray, but I will put it in the details if it's still available. And I just flick some drops on there. It's like a metallic gold or bronze color, so I loved it on this ink color here. And again, sorry for the glare. So I am just going to heat dry that, and then I'm going to use the A2 Marquee rectangle die, and I decide that I want to put it this way, the way I ink blended it to go upwards. And I'm just going to die cut that, and I love, I'll show you right now, I love the holes on the ends there. So pretty. I think Spellbinders has a die like this too. I have the Slimline die. And I'm going to heat emboss the bigger sentiment blessings with Lindy's Gang embossing powder. It's like a golden sparkly embossing powder, and I think it's called something Sunset, so I will have that in the details as well. I'm just using my powder tool from Tailored Expressions and my Versamark ink, and I will go ahead and heat emboss that. I will show you the embossing powder in just a second. I think I'm just making sure I get a good impression because my ink pad is getting a little dry. And so yeah, so make sure and join the hop. It's super exciting, right? I'm super excited about it. I know everyone on the team is always great with all their inspiration. Okay, so I love how sparkly that is, and I thought it matched the mica spray, so that is why I chose this one. I just need to put it in a container, so it'll be easier. And then I went ahead and stamped the many and cut it down just with some black ink that I stamped it with. There, I think I used that ink, yeah, the Brutus Monroe. I can't find this ink to link it usually. I guess, I don't know if he stopped making it, or maybe you can only buy it on his website, Brutus Monroe. I'm not sure, but I will find out. And I'm just going to glue this with my liquid glue onto a gray heavyweight card base. And so super easy. My sentiment was added with foam tape, the mini sentiment, and I will just hold it down with my stamp block. And I found some sequins to match. They weren't the sequins from the first card. I have no idea what I used. So, but I liked these and they were similar. And that is it. So I hope you liked my card. I hope you grab this stencil and go and on Instagram and hop around and check out the new release. It's amazing. So, and I will have more cards throughout the month. So, and use my code VonFan10 to save 10% off. Thank you for stopping by.